An ellipse is a set of all points on a plane where the sum of the distances from any two fixed points is constant. These 2 points are called the foci. Here we have a graph of an ellipse. Its foci are at the points -5, 0 and 5, 0. Let's look at the point on the left. The distance to the edge from the two distances to the edge from that fixed point are 2 and 12. So if we add those together, the sum is 14. Now let's say we choose this green point on the graph. The sum of those 2 orange lines is also equal to 14. If we pick any point on the graph and locate its distance from each of the 2 foci, the distances will sum to 14 for this specific ellipse. An ellipse has a major axis and a minor axis, which intersect in the center. Here in orange we have the major axis, while here in green we have the minor axis. The equation of an ellipse depends on whether the major axis is horizontal or vertical. If it's horizontal, the equation is x squared divided by a squared plus y squared divided by b squared is equal to 1. If the major axis is vertical, then the equation is y squared divided by a squared plus x squared divided by b squared is equal to 1. The length of the major axis is equal to 2a, while the length of the minor axis is equal to 2b, shown here in the orange and green lines on the graph of this ellipse. So let's try to find the graph of this ellipse. Its major axis is horizontal, so we're going to use the equation x squared divided by a squared plus y squared divided by b squared is equal to 1. Here, our a is equal to 7 and our b is equal to 5, so our a squared is 49 and our b squared is 25. Now to write this ellipse completely in standard form, we actually want to use the equation x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared is equal to 1. That way we can reflect the h and k values, that is, where the center of the ellipse is. Here, the center of our ellipse is at 0, 0, so the final equation for our ellipse in standard form is equal to x minus 0 squared divided by 49 plus y minus 0 squared divided by 25 is equal to 1. Now we have the equation for our ellipse with a horizontal major axis.